From a driver who lost control and slammed into the median, and a red light runner who almost met his maker, to a wild police chase through rush hour traffic and much more. Here are some unexpected moments caught on Dashcam. Apparently, this driver is having some trouble driving on snow.
At least the ditch will stop her. Oh. Oh, please. Slow down, oh, gosh. Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I can't look.
Oh.
No.
Ended it. Oh.
You've got that clue, okay? So keep trying. That goal could be your case, but keep trying, right? Oh, you fucking crap! Oh, no!
This is what happens when you forget to look both ways. This driver almost causes 2 accidents in less than a minute.
Whoa.
How this driver didn't see the red light is beyond me.
Yep, there it is.
This guy tried overtaking this car and ended up getting in an accident by himself. This driver ends up jackknifing on his own truck.
Trailer swinging. Jesus. Holy cow.
Fine. Yeah. So the temperature during the day hardly changed.
Oh, fuck.
Kangaroo.
Sorry, Dom.
What happened?
Hit a kangaroo.
Make sure to be extra careful while driving on snow.
Okay, Garmin.
This driver picked the worst time to merge.
She's злое está.
И даже не остановился.
Так ну я.
And once again, we have drivers being reckless on a snowy day.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Oh, no.
shit. Holy fuck. Okay, Garmin, save video. Save video. Get that truck.
Approaching 2,000 Street. Go behind it. She's signal for the vehicle? She's still going southbound. Therefore, you advise she's signal for the vehicle?
Multiple signal 4, multiple.
10 for County Road 109.
Lost his front tire.
Lost the front tire.
Signal 4 to another vehicle.
Signal 4 to another vehicle. Look at medics rolling.
Bravo 13, I'm out of it, do stop 6.
That works.
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.